Hey besties, I hope you all are doing fantastic today. So for today's video, I have a tutorial for you showing you one of these amazing tapes that I received from a company called the Washi Tape Shop. Guys, they sent me this gorgeous rainbow flower tape and I had so much fun designing this jar. So one thing that I really like about this tape is that it comes with so many different patterns and different types of flowers, different styles. And I really like that it had some of the stems and flowers separately so you could honestly customize your very own bouquet. So for this jar, I had a plan. I wanted to make like a flower garden look and I wanted it to be a little bit three-dimensional. So I decided to stick the tape directly onto my resin mold and I designed it in the way that I liked. And guys, I just love these flowers. Like seriously, I cannot stop raving about how much I love the colors. They're so vibrant and they're really easy to work with. My main tip that I have for you is to make sure that you know exactly where you want to put the stickers before you peel off the back, because the adhesive on this stuff is not a joke. Like once it's stuck down, it's not going nowhere. So I do actually love that, but it's also something that you have to keep in mind before you peel off the back. So for these gorgeous rainbow flowers, I wanted to use my gorgeous rainbow glitter that I received from Resin to kind of add a little bit of glitz and glam to the jar. So, okay, I have so much fun with this glitter, but as you can see, I think I may have added a little bit too much glitter because I got a little glitter happy and I added 2 scoops. So I decided to start the jar off with crystal clear resin and then I finished it off with crystal clear resin to make sure that you could still see the flowers even through all of the glitter. But I will say that next time I'm gonna try this again with just crystal clear resin all together because these flowers are so beautiful that I do not want to block them with anything. So for this lid, guys, I am obsessed with this decal. It is so beautiful and this glitter honestly just matches perfectly. So this is what the jar looked like once I demolded it, guys, and I love the results. Now I will say that I did not think about the fact that the tops of these flowers would be on the rim of the jar. I really didn't measure it out right, so I will know that for next time, but I still think it gave a pretty cool effect. So once I had the jar put all together, I found some more flowers that I wanted to put on the outside to give it that 3D effect and to really pull the whole jar together. So these are the final results to my rainbow flower jar, and guys, I am literally obsessed. Like maybe more obsessed than I should be, but I think this came out so beautiful, so elegant. But I do have a quick question for you guys. If you know of any glossy crystal clear sealant, let me know in the comments because I do need to seal the flowers on the outside. And I need to seal the inside of the jar because since I stuck the stickers directly to the mold, it's still a little bit sticky inside. So if you guys have any tips or suggestions, let me know in the comments. Also, if you're interested in any of the products I used in my video, make sure to check out my link tree because I have some exclusive coupon codes there. But anyways, besties, you have to let me know what you think about the final results and drop some rainbow and flower emojis in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. Alright, my loves, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.